Hi, this is Clay coming to you again from the Marlowe Chest Inn. We're coming to you. We got game 4. What's the score now? Let me check that again here. It is 2-1 Cosmic Microwave. That's right, I won that last one with a checkmate. It was a completely stolen game. Let me fix my score here. So Cosmic Microwave is going to be 2. Let me post that one up there. Just take me a flat second there. Save. French. Okay, did that change? There we go, 2-1. Alright, we're off and running. The French match. Vive la France! Bebe le pied. Because our games have stunk so far. We have no idea what we're doing, but we play the French defense. Oh, here we go. This is going to be an exchange variation. Alright, we'll play c6. Because we have no idea what we're doing. Maybe I'll come up with a b5 and go attack him, huh? Sure, why not? He doesn't know what he's doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so should be equal, right? Alright. Let's just pin to win, right? Can't be that bad. Alright. Sure. What's he going to do? You want to trade that? We can trade that. Generally, I want to trade this bishop for that bishop. And we'll see what happens here. Okay, now gets interesting because he's offering me to shatter his pawn structure by taking that sucker. And you know what? I have to accept. Oh, I have to accept that. Now, the question is, I want to go trade a pair of bishops off, because that's going to limit his attacking chances. Alright, so let's offer a bishop trade. And threatening bishop takes bishop there. Okay, now we're going to establish. I think I want to establish myself on f4 as my square. My square! So what's it going to do here? Castle queenside, I imagine. Okay, so now he's got that. Now, notice how this knight nicely holds down g7. But he wants to play a bishop to g5 or a rook to g5 to harass that knight. Hence, we're going to play h6 to stop that. Stop that, Tony. Stop. Not going to do that. Here we go. Now, what's he going to decide to do with all of that? He's going this way. Alright, so now, where do I want to put my king? I would like to, 2 moves here to castle my king here. Do I have it? Let's see here. Okay, we're going to go establish f4. If I can, I want to play knight to d7, castle queenside. Bring my rooks to his nice open file here. Put a piece on there. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to be able to do that. Where's he going with that sucker? He wants to play there. That does not bother me a bit. You know, there's a pawn there hanging if I want it. Didn't even notice that, but it is hanging. Black's better already. Goes knight to g3, I won't be able to take that pawn because I bishop to e2, winning this knight on h5. Notice that little tactic there. Bishop here, wins that, so we wouldn't want to do that. Wouldn't want to do that. Right now I'd kind of estimate black being about 7/10 of a pawn better. No. If he comes knight to g3, I imagine my move is going to be knight to f4. So he won't be able to play bishop takes f4, obviously, because bishop takes f4 is going to pin the queen to the king. So that's an awful useful thing to have in my repertoire. I think it's about a good time for me to castle here too, if nothing else happens. Castling is good. So, good thing to do is you take advantage. Okay, he's going there. So knight to f4, and he's got knight f5, which is an interesting way. Knight f4, knight f5. We go knight take check. And he's got to go queen takes to still guard that knight. And then he's on the g7 twice. So g7 is looking vulnerable at this moment. And I can't go bishop f4. So knight f4, knight to f5. I can go knight takes g3 and attack that pawn. Then he goes knight takes g7 check. So do I have to play knight takes and let him do all that stuff, and he'll have some weak pawns? Looks like I have to do that. Knight f4 is what I was planning to do. Does not look like it's working. Knight f5 is just going to be too strong. Unless, no, I don't have. How about g5? Oh no, knight's hanging, so can't do that. Alright. We'll take it. He's going to come back here. That's not too bad for me. I can double his pawns, but he's got some weak pawns there. So I'm okay with that, actually. Okay, so I think I want to castle on the same side as him. I'm not going to cast. This looks like an attack, and I'm not jiggy with castling into that attack. Alright, so he's thinking he's got something here. I don't think he does. I'm not terribly worried. I'll grab the open file here. I don't know what his rook f1's all about, except for guarding that pawn there. Pawn's probably too risky to take anyway. Now he's got some coordination problems. Yes, indeedy, he does. So, I of course don't want my. Oh, can I play queen to e3, double attacking that and winning a pawn? I think I can, right? Any drawbacks to that move? Is it too risky? Let's see, queen to e3. Let's go rook to e1, then I can take that pawn. Do I get my queen to safety? I think so. Let's do it. Okay, here and here. 207 left apiece. Trick is, am I going to get my queen perpetualed to death? That's the worst thing that can happen. I'm alright with that. I don't think I'm trapped there. I don't think so. Knight can come to f6 here and open up an avenue this way for my queen to get back and threaten to come to e4. So I think I'm okay. So you want to attack my queen again and let me take that pawn? Don't have to take that pawn. I can always come to back to e6 too, because he's got no good discoveries of that bishop. Right? So I think I'm cleanly going to get away with this pawn here without too much damage. And getting knight to f6 in right now is going to be really good. Okay, so how many tempos do I want to let him have here? Bishop to c2. La 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 la. All right, so I think queen to g4 is a subtlety. If he goes bishop e2, then I come back to e6. I'm getting a tempo on that sucker, right? Yeah, I like that. So bishop, queen to g4, and if he goes bishop d2 to try and get me, then I'm coming back there, right? Then knight to g4 and e4 comes in. I think so. All right, here. See if I can sucker him into bishop e2. Otherwise, knight to f6 comes in, and I'm looking good. Does he go rook to h1? Threatening a bishop to h3? No? Okay, now I come back. All right, now I got this. Now it's a clean pawn. That pawn is cleaned. It has been cleaned. Give me that square. Oh, that's a horsey. There's a nice horsey on e4. He's going to have some trouble with that one. He's going to get planted. I'm going to plant that thing. This one is planted. I think I'm okay with that. Any checks or anything? No. Let's see here. Back out of this, back out of that. Alright. Pawn takes there. Then knight takes there. Let's just back that thing right out of there. Now I'm threatening pawn takes, and that's going to be loose on f2. Okay, now it's not going to be loose on f2. Or will it? Will it, will it, will it? Okay, let's see, takes here, here. Should I double on this sucker, or just move my king out of the way? I think I'll just move my king out of the way there. I think I'm alright with that. Don't see how. It's got a queen to h5. Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Takes here, there. He wants to go. Get that. I don't need this rook on the square anymore. I kind of need it on that square. Let's see him guard f4. Okay, he's guarding it like that. Let's. You got two pawns. Grab another pawn. Grabbing another pawn. Okay. Let's see here. Takes here, there. One would think I got something here, right? Here. What school say? Here. It's a confusing move. Alright, he's coming with that one. Is he covering all my squares? Let's see here. I'm going with that one. Hope I haven't lost anything here. Alright, here, there. I think this is going to win, right? It's going to be hard to meet, whatever it is. Where's he going with that sucker? Alright, takes there. Alright, so. Whoa, gotta go. I don't know. Okay, he's got that one. Here. He's got back rank problems if he comes off of it. Okay. 2 pawns up here, right? Alright. Okay. Guard him. Bring him up. See if Clay has any technique here at all. That looks like a good move. What do I do there? Trade the bishop off. That's gonna cause him a think there. Okay. Come there. Okay, now he wants that. Wow, what's that? Alright, so takes here. Interesting. 14 seconds left. La 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 la. Throw a check in there. Okay, now. Oh boy, I might be losing a pawn in this. But that's going to be a good one. See if I got any technique here. Ah! That's rather annoying. Not good technique here. He says he's going for it. All right. Well, here comes my pawn. Go away. I just walked away from that pawn. That was terrible. Oh my god, now I gotta fight for a draw here. This is just terrible. Terrible stuff here. Damn, I can't go that way. Don't want to get into a... Do not want that. Now my king is cut off. Terrible. Alright. Boy, did I mess up an endgame here, huh? Wow, what a brutal endgame to mess up here, huh? Okay, here. Oh, what a terrible way. I was up 2 pawns here. Now I'm down a pawn. Just terrible. Just terrible. Alright. Bring my king back in there. Thank you, Tony. Can I hold a draw? Hold a draw. Hold a draw. Hold a draw. Alright, so... Yeah, sure. Come on this way. Give me one of them. Give me one of them. Where are you going with that? Okay. Give me one of them. Oh, cut my king off again. It's good. It's good, Tony. Good. 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 Here. Gonna hit that again. There. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit that one. Gonna hit that one. Alright, so let's see here. Take. I gotta take that one. Alright, this should be easy. This should be freaking easy. Damn it. Way too easy. Yeah, I resign. Or do I? King's cut off. Yeah, this is resignable. Damn it. Terrible. Terrible. Terrible technique. Terrible. Well, 2-2. We'll revisit that one later. Some awful chess. Awful chess. Tell you. What did I do? What did I do? That was just terrible chess. I was good. I was doing good until... Okay, I'm up 2 pawns. I'm up 2 pawns here. Right? It shouldn't be that difficult. What did I do here? And I went here. No, wasted check. Probably just go A4. I don't know. What's my analysis say? Yep, 2.1. So I can just drop this back. See, I don't have to do anything here. Bishop takes E3 check. King takes either H5. And that's a solid, should win. Oh, terrible. Oh well. 2-2. We'll continue this one later, hopefully. It's all up to Sluggo. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was entertaining. Oh, it was heartbreaking for me. I hate losing. Anyway, that's what it is. Good game, Sluggo, and we'll see you next game.